Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami talking crow. It can stand, and if you move the flaps like this, it looks like it's talking. For this, we need a regular piece of origami paper and a marker to draw the eyes. If you like our video, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're going to start with the origami paper wide side up, and we'll fold it in half diagonally. Crease, unfold, and now we're going to bring this side to the center crease. Fold, and then bring the other side to the center. Crease. Now we flip it over and we'll fold it in half. We'll bring this corner to the top corner. And crease. Now we put our finger inside this pocket and we flatten it. Crease and do the same for this side. Okay, now we bring the top flap down and we flip it over, and we can see we have two flaps here. Okay, now we're going to bring this side to the center horizontal line. Crease, unfold, and then bring the other side here. And unfold. And then we're going to do the same for this side. Okay, and now we have 4 creases we've made here, and we're going to use them to flatten the model like this. So we bring these flaps out and flatten it like this. So once again it was like this, and we flattened it like this. Okay, now we bring the top corner here. And again, we bring this side to the horizontal line. Okay. Unfold, and then bring this side here. Unfold, flip the model over, and do the same here. Unfold. And now we use these 2 creases and we bring together these 2 parts. in the middle and do the same here. And we've created the beak here. And now the last thing we need to do is to fold the model in half vertically, like this. And it's done. Now let's draw the eyes. And another one here. As you can see, it can stand, and if you move the flaps like this, it looks like it's talking. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.